folks. Hey, it's me again. What am I doing? Trying to get this water open. Is that my water? No. Thirsty. Of course, I'll be up all night. I'll be up all night peeing. Anyway, what am I doing? I have a action-packed evening for you. Not really. First thing I got on the agenda is this stupid thing. The cheap little set. It's a Craftsman set. I think I've seen them everywhere. But I think this won't fit in my toolbox. And they're actually easy to find because they're in this holder. But I think I'm going to take the bandsaw and just lop this off. That's my first thing. There's this like little handle thing here, which supposedly goes like... Here, I'll show you. Let me move this down a little here. The little fancy handle, which I guess kind of works. You put it in here like so. It's supposed to go in there. Supposed to. Anyway, it's supposed to fit in here somehow. Yeah, go. It's supposed to go in there somehow. Anyway, this is supposed to fit in there like that. You're supposed to be able to use it as a handle, but I don't use it. I like that these are held in here, so I'm going to lop this off. That's my first thing I'm doing for this evening. Got two of them. I like the little round nubs here. I like the case. I also got to clean my bench off. Tonight I'm making a video polishing these suckers because they're highly, like, I don't know if you can see that. They're basically sanded down, but not to my, they need to be, this is the original, I say. I've been working on this forever. I'm probably going to TIG weld this, but I want to get this polished before I do anything else with this. And is it rusting? I don't know. Maybe I got to polish the rest of it too. Looks like the handle's got rust on it too. So anyway, the whole thing's got to be polished. I have my special tool here that I manufactured just for this purpose of just hold it in there. So that's for that. So I can, I might cut this down and I might cut it off and shave a piece off here so I can use it in my, what the hell was I going to say? I might shave it off so I can put it in the drill. That's it. Or maybe in the drill press. I don't know. It might be better than the drill press. I can just go around. But anyway, this thing will probably fly off and get lost behind the drill press. So that I'll work on. And I also have some other work. I have a Mikuni Yamaha carburetor that I need to rebuild, and there's a rebuild kit here somewhere. Yeah, it's right here. There's the rebuild kit. I want to make a video of that. That's pretty much what I'm doing tonight. I don't know if I'm in a video at all. I might not. Who knows? Other than that, just making a short video telling what I'm doing. I got some, where is it? 220 sandpaper. I'll start with to sit here and go like this. I don't know how good that's going to work, but it might do something. Is it doing anything? Who knows? Seems like it. I need to spin it and do it, but it appears to have some effect. Who knows? Maybe I should just put on the buffing wheel. I will attempt to buff it. Anyway, I'll stop wasting your time and just pretty much a video of me sanding stuff. I do need to clean my bench off. I need to somehow figure the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hope you like my channel. Thanks.